Today we have a luxury custom-built home overlooking the water in coveted Bay Point. I can't wait to show you this beauty. Let's go.
Heather, this kitchen, I love all the natural sunlight.
It's so dreamy. I could sit here all day just for that.
The view, the cabinetry, they thought of everything.
Everything. And Britt, those views don't stop just in the kitchen. It's the whole living space with all of these windows.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Heather, I love this flex room. It's maybe my second favorite place to the kitchen.
Absolutely.
I love how the living space upstairs is separate from the bedroom space, so you have your own little area.
That's right. This ensuite right on the bottom floor so you can see those water views. But you've got to see this bathroom. To die for.
There's more outdoor living space on the bottom floor.
Yes. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got that listing link there for you. But don't forget, subscribe to our channel. You can see these beautiful luxury homes and some that might fit your needs. Bye now.